The Xiaomi 14T Pro offers a blend of power, design, and high-end features targeting users who demand top-tier performance at a competitive price. It showcases a sleek, modern design with a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals ideal for gaming and media consumption, and a whopping 4000 nits peak brightness. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, a 4nm chipset, the Xiaomi 14T Pro provides lightning-fast performance. It handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications with ease. Coupled with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, it's built for users who require speeds and space without compromises. The triple camera setup includes a 50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto, 12MP ultra-wide, delivering incredible detail and sharpness in low-light conditions. With 32MP front-facing camera, both supports 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The 5000 mAh battery supports 120 watts fast charging, which means you can fully charge the phone in about 20 minutes. This makes the Xiaomi 14T Pro a perfect companion for users on the go who need their devices ready at all times. With HyperOS 1.0 Android 14, IP68 dust and water resistant stereo speaker with a price tag of 2,399 dirhams here in Dubai. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more exciting tech reviews like this. Peace out.